LHG is the newest member in Lenaro. We were officially launched on May 29th. And since that time, we've been busy getting the team together. All of the assignees are working to form a coherent team. In that time period, we've also worked on bringing in 3 member boards. We're working on the RDK, the Linux-based media framework solution. We're doing OE Octo builds for our member boards of RDK, and we're also working with the RDK emulator and supporting that effort. We're working on GStreamer integration with OpenMax, and we're working on a migration to Chromium Blink using the Chromium embedded framework. This is very interesting work. And we're also looking at Android to work on optimizations with Chromium Blink and the integration with Stagefright and OpenMax. We are working in collaboration with the security group to work on pay TV solutions that use the Open Portable TEE. So we're very excited about what we're going to accomplish in our first full year in Lenaro. We're looking to complete our work with the Lenaro RDK. This is the specific RDK builds on ARM processors. We continue our work on the RDK emulator, and the RDK emulator will actually be expanded by Comcast to support other architectures. We will continue doing work on Android optimizations, as I mentioned, the Chromium Blink optimizations, and looking at optimizations with the Stagefright OpenMax integration. One of our major objectives is to have a solution for W3C EME, which are encrypted media extensions, to have the crypto APIs for both RDK as well as Android provide a secure solution that can be used for pay TV operations. In general, LHG is promoting open source on ARM for the set-top market, and we want to replicate ARM's success that they've had in the mobile space and bring that to the home space.